It's a wonderful experience to be here in this ambience and to talk about the celebration of 50 years of our first department, Women's Studies, Research Center for Women's Studies, RCWS.
We are proud and privileged to celebrate 50 golden years of Research Center for Women's Studies in SNDT Women's University.
It's one of the pioneering centers of the system of the university. We were the first ones to get this permission to have this center at SNDT Women's University way back in 1974.
Since 70s, we are studying women's studies from the lens which the West has used.
RCWS was a bridge for me to, from my dreams to come to the pathway which is leading and which is shining now.
My master's in women's studies, and especially from RCWS, was pure destiny.
Huge platform that Research Center for Women's Studies gave me was the opportunity that I received to go abroad and do my internship.
Nurtured by the stalwarts of women's studies like Dr. Neera Desai, Dr. Maitreyi Krishnaraj, Dr. Meera Kosambi and Dr. Veena Punacha, who fortunately happened to be the center's directors.
Research Center for Women's Studies was born out of a vision of education which goes back to the Indian national movement.
Maharshi Karve started SNDT Women's University 108 years ago with the same intention, empowering women through education.
At the core of Maharshi Karve's vision was the holistic development of women through theoretical knowledge to expand their intellectual horizon as well as vocational training to enable them to participate in the public domain.
In last 50 years, if we see how we have been doing research, what we have been teaching in this center, so all that has been very relevant.
Located in this broader struggle for social justice within the academia is Neeraben's distinct contribution to women's studies through the establishment of the center. The primary purpose of the center was expected to network, lobby and participate in struggles for gender rights.
Women's studies is a fun. You start exploring yourself, you start rediscovering yourself. And when that happens, layers start unfolding.
Women's Studies was a space for the recovery of women's knowledge.
It is actually here that I truly understood the meanings of the words equality, inclusivity, and feminism.
It was also expected to disseminate feminist concerns through a vigorous publication program and create a repository of primary and secondary source materials on women.
This is the center where the understanding of women, educating women, making them aware, and the soul of entire existence of SNDT Women's University is concentrated in this department, I would say.
The most important thing is the methodology, the teaching way has helped us a lot to think critically. Like, I think I learned that never to accept or to believe things as they are shown.
With change and challenge as its motto, the center through the years has traversed a long and hard journey within the academia.
A wonderful project has been taken up by RCWS recently to showcase this journey. And Jagrani project is one of the iconic projects where Rishikas of Bharat in Vedic era have whatever they have contributed in the Veda has now been taken up by our students to tell others in the form of storytelling.
Other than the classroom studies, we kept on having experts and scholars from various fields of study, and that was the most interesting part.
And all thanks to RCWS to give wings to my dreams.
Many young scholars learned the fundamentals of women's studies theorizing through participation in these discussion forums.
Honorable Prime Minister has talked about Vikasit Bharat at 2047. It can't be Vikasit Bharat unless 50% population of women is taken into consideration.
Women's studies is very important in today's context also. When we are in 21st century, interdisciplinary concept and interdisciplinarity of women's studies is also acknowledged in National Education Policy 2020.
I still find this course relevant, not just relevant but absolutely essential for everyone.
मेरा नाम महजबीन शेख है। मैं करेंटली वुमेंस स्टडी मास्टर्स कर रही हूँ। तो अगर जैसे हम जानेंगे नहीं, पढ़ेंगे नहीं, तो हमको पता कैसे चलेगा। तो ये कोर्स जो है ना वुमेन स्टडी, तो ये करना तो बहुत जरूरी है, सबको ही करना चाहिए।
RCWS has not only expanded my intellectual horizons but has also empowered me to assert my rights confidently.
It's not just a studying course, it is also almost like a personality development.
It conducted refresher courses, numerous national and international conferences and seminars. It expanded the scope of activities of the Center for Rural Development, CRD, a project initiated by Neeraben. The rich database created and sustained at the center to preserve and nurture women's studies has been further enriched through the establishment of the Dr. Ava Bai Wadia Archives for Women in 2009.
We over here are students who are being groomed to think like a feminist.
Today we are giving Golden Nurturers and Golden Collaborators Award to all those who have contributed in the growth of Research Center for Women Studies, and all of us are here together to celebrate 50th year of Research Center for Women Studies, and it is our proud privilege that all of us are here together on this very proud moment.
We want to be empowered, and this center is the one which will take the way forward. We want to reach people, reach women all through all areas of Bharat and tell them, here we are. Here is your center. Come to the university. Come to SNDT Women's University.